My name's Kevin Ahern. I've been at Kennerley-Spratling since 1998. I'm the general manager. Kennerley-Spratling is a contract manufacturer. We're based in California with divisions in San Leandro, San Jose, and then we also have an international division in Mexico. The way in which Kennerley-Spratling uses Delmiaworks' system is simple. It's from stem to stern. That's the foundation around which our system is built. An order comes in that generates requirements that push a work order. That work order pushes requirements all throughout our system. So our customer service team processes, and everybody else has to execute scheduling, purchasing, engineering, and quality. And then that gets into production, obviously, when we go to run a job. For each division we have, it has its own separate E-plant. I can seamlessly go from one division to the next, one E-plant to the next, or I can look at all of them. It's great. I don't have to think about anything different. I'm just in a different E-plant. So if I want to check inventory in our California division, I check it. If I want to check it in Mexico, I check it. So I can see everyone's real-time screen, or I can see an individual's real-time screen. If you want a macro view or a micro view, you have that. And so that allows me not to have to call anybody to find out what's going on. I just go look. You get the information you need. Then when you make a phone call, it's a pointed phone call as opposed to a, hey, Jimmy, can you help me out on machine 5? No, I know what's happening on machine 5. Now when I call Jimmy, I can point Jimmy to the things that I need to know specifically. From a cost control perspective, we can track cost changes as they happen. Costs are changing, faster than they ever have, and Delmiaworks helps us to track that. It's tracking them all. I can see what it costs us to buy it. I can see what our standards are, and I can see historically where we've been with this product. So that makes it easy for me to work with other members of the team. With the capabilities that the Delmiaworks systems has, we can pick the right ones to go forward with. Delmiaworks helps us stay competitive in a number of ways. The main one that I look at from a strategic perspective is from a growth perspective. It allows you to scale. It allows you to spin off a division. It provides an ability for you to transfer information, transfer knowledge to a new group of people in order to do the things that you can do. When a division opens, you might move a couple of people, but for the most part, everybody is new. And so you have a couple of key cogs in the wheel that have been established that know the back end of your business, but what they know is way less important than what everybody else needs to know. That's why you need a good ERP system. At Kennerley-Spratling, when we started using Delmiaworks system, we started with a basic platform, inventory management, sales orders, purchase orders. We added real-time monitoring. We added a scheduling interface. Those were quick add-ons because we really needed those once we got into the things we were doing. But over time, we've added more and more to the package. One of our divisions, MOS Plastics in San Jose, is a high-tech biotech medical facility. We've got class 10,000, class 100,000 clean rooms, white room molding, things of that nature.
My name is Luis Cuellar. I'm Continuous Improvement Manager at MOS Plastics, which is a division of Kennerley-Spratling company. We are a company with 2,000 customers, and each customer has its own needs. So when we get the requirement, when we get the sales order, we need to put everything together in the way that we need to be in compliance on production time and production output for them. So using the tool that Delmiaworks provide us, we can see clearly in an organized way and color-coded way what is late, what is not late. In that way we can prioritize and optimize our incoming raw materials and our finished good. The ERP system is the logical sequence of a process that has a start point and end point. So what Delmiaworks does is putting everything together